Welcome back to Akicam. Today we are diving into the vibrant world of Tanabata, a magical Japanese festival right here in the beautiful park in Dolní Počernice. Join us as we immerse ourselves in Japanese culture, explore various workshops, savor delicious food, and write our wishes on colorful tanzaku. Let's explore the festival. First up, we have a range of stalls offering a variety of handmade items. Here you can find everything from toys and clothing to mugs and bento boxes. And look, here is a stall dedicated to bonsai trees. Over here you can pick up beautiful ceramic and delicious sweets from a renovated pastry. The line is a bit long, so let's move on and try some matcha instead. Chiyoko is not fan of matcha, so she decided to hunt for something better. Look at this Okonomiyaki, a savory Japanese pancake. Yummy! At the festival, you can even try a kimono. Watch out for the Tsukumogami. They are a bit spooky. Better make a quick escape. Over at the main stage, there is a fantastic lineup of performances. The drummers are really putting on a show. Chiyoko found them a bit loud, so she taken a break in the park. Look who Chiyoko ran into, a Shiba Inu. And check out the gentleman with the sword. And now, a thrilling sword cutting demonstration. You could even buy Japanese knives at one of the stalls. Next up, we have a traditional theater performance. But where did Chiyoko go? Oh, she has found her way to the food stall again. Waiting in the line for some delicious Karage and Gyoza. Was it worth the wait? Absolutely. I was impressed by the calligraphy workshop. I am seriously considering signing up for a calligraphy course. And Chiyoko was impressed by food. Throughout the festival, there was plenty of workshops where you could try making traditional Japanese craft. It was great to see so many people getting involved. So, what exactly is Tanabata?
Tanabata, slavnost nebeských milanců, aneboli slavnost splněných přání. Jedná se o den, kdy 7.7. se potkávají dva nebeští milenci na obloze, překročí mléčnou dráhu a mohou se potkat.
七夕とは何かっていう説明が少しあったと思いますけれども、今日竹の木がたくさんあるので、ぜひ皆さんのですね願いをこの竹の木に、吊るしていただけるといいかと思います。日本には竹の木がいろんなところにあらゆるところにあるので入手するのがすごい簡単なんですけれども、チェコだとひょっとしたら竹を入手するのは難しいかもしれないので、ぜひ竹以外の木でもですね、皆さん今日家に帰られたら、小さな願いを紙に書いてで木に吊るすというのをやっていただけるといいかと思います。
We had an amazing time at the Tanabata Festival. A huge thank you to the Czech-Japanese Society and Oáza Dolní Počernice for organizing such a wonderful event. We hope you enjoy our adventure and we can't wait to see you at the next one. Until then, happy travel!